Tashtale on 7th July 2025, an auspicious occasion marking both the 90th birthday of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, a guiding light for compassion and humanity, and founding anniversary of Tibetan Sorik Luksong Clinic in Dharamshala. We embrace a moment of profound gratitude and celebration. To honor this special occasion, Tibetan Sorik Luksong Clinic presents the Award for Practical Compassion, recognizing three kind-hearted individuals who have dedicated themselves to the caring of homeless animals. Among the many charitable initiatives planned by Tibetan Sorik Luksong Clinic, we humbly present the Award for Practical Compassion to three extraordinary individuals, one Indian, two Tibetan, who have devoted their lives to the well-being of homeless animals. Through their unwavering kindness, perseverance, and wholehearted sacrifice, this compassionate soul has saved countless lives, embodying the true spirit of altruism. Through this virtuous act, we pray that all the obstacles to the long life of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, as well as other revered guardians of Buddhist teaching, be pacified. May they remain as steadfast as protectors of Dharma and as well as all the sentient beings for many years to come. This ceremony will be held at Kailash Restaurant, McLeodganj, Dharamshala. Thank you.